They're neat.
Yeah. All right, 8 scale A main. This will be recorded in 4K, 60 frames a second. ProTune, GoPro color, high audio processing. Basically the best this camera can do. We'll see how it looks. Now in 4K 60, you can only do wide field of view, so everything will be kind of fisheye. Look.
Can we get some marshals to the track? Pretty please. Still waiting on Dara to check in. Waiting on John Kennedy, Jack Nesbitt, and Mustafa to check in. This race is brought to you by all the things you cannot say on the radio. Marshals, please pay attention to your corner and not the race. Drivers, ready. Marshals, ready.
Put the sense of urgency into it as I go.
In less than 5 seconds, we're going racing at the sound of the tone.
Oh, it could have been worse. Whoa, who's that?
Not 4 minutes left.
After a minute and a half, we got Noah in first, followed by Brian, then John Kennedy, Jack Nesbitt, Sean Fraser, Dara Slow, and Mustafa Ahmed.
Oh, sorry. That's a weird flip.
Three minutes left.
Yeah, Justin, please stand there. Stay in that spot.
Noah Connell, Brian
2
Nesbitt,
minutes
John
left.
Kennedy, Jack, Sean, Dara, Mustafa. Who is that? That is Daryl?
Yeah. See that, Brian? I didn't knock you out.
Hit him! Hit him! I'm trying to chase him. Trying to catch up. Oh, thanks. That helped, actually.
1 minute left. One minute left. Watch out at the end of the straightaway. Stay tight at the end of the straightaway.
Watch the downward dog.
Watch the downward dog.
Pull over, Jack. It's racing, buddy.
Car 7 is done. Car 4 is done. Car 6 is done.
That's how to talk to Jack. He's done that all weekend.
Pulling over?
Yeah, he pulls over and races.
Car 2 is done. Car 3 is done. Car 5 is done. Car 1 is done.
No?
Good job, guys.
Noah, Brian, John, Sean, Jack, Dara, Mustafa. So yeah, third place. Not bad. Pretty good. Cool.